Welcome to the class project 2025 competition. Coming to the competition today, our team bring to the competition to protect remote chicken farming system. I'm Đặng Hoàng Phúc is team leader responsible for programming progress, manager and overall concept development.
I am Nguyễn Khánh Duy, member responsible for hardware assembly, technical support and tech product testing.
My name is Lê Bảo Ngọc, is member responsible for model design, idea presentation and product communication.
Currently, chicken farming, especially on small farms and households, still relies mainly on human labor. Farmers have to feed the chickens by hand, turn on the cooling fan when it is hot, check the temperature of the barn, and many other steps are repeated every day. This makes farmers spend a lot of time and effort, and they cannot control the barn remotely if they are busy or away. The product is built on popular and low-cost electronic components. Microcontroller with Wi-Fi connection for remote control and monitoring via the measures the temperature of the barn, thereby activating the fan when necessary, cools the air for the chicken coop on hot days, provides drinking water for chickens automatically, used to rotate the shaft, control the feed tank ensuring chickens are fed on time and in quantity, used to check the level of food or water, warning when running out.
Product will run a web. The web will display the first temperature, the second humidity, and the third distance from the camera to water level. When the water level is low, the distance increases and we will turn on the pump. That's how it works. When we turn on the light is work. When we turn on the fan, it's the same. We will turn on the pump in the same way. In addition, we will also turn on the motor first, the right from the inside out, and that's the entire operating principle of the product.